welcome you back to my YouTube channel with another interesting topic. So we are dealing with factorization using difference of two squares. Difference of two squares is written in the form of a squared minus b squared. So anything that shall be in this form, just know that you are dealing with difference of two squares, which can be factorized to a plus b, a minus b, meaning these two are just the same. This expression and that expression, they are just the same. So difference of two squares is written in this format, which is factorized to that. For example, you've got an expression like x squared minus 4. How can you factorize this? And the way I've written this is very important. There is a minus. So when there is a plus, you are not supposed to use the difference of two squares. So in this case, is this one having a square? No. So you change it where you say it is x squared minus. What is the square root of 4? It is 2. You say 2 squared. It is now in that format. So this can be factorized to be x minus 2 like this, x plus 2 like this. So this is your answer. So whenever we are talking about difference of two squares, these are some of the things that you need to know and understand. Given something like this, what if you've got an expression that is in this format? So it is 3x squared minus 3. How can you factorize this one? The first thing that you need to do is to factorize the same normal way that we know how to factorize. You look for a number that can go into 3 and 3. What's that number? The number is 3. You say open bracket, 3 into 3x squared, you get x squared, minus 3 into 3, it is 1. You do this. So when you end here, you discover that this which is in the brackets can be factorized by using the difference of two squares. So this thing in the brackets, so it will be what? 3, then that can be x minus 1, x plus 1 like this. You factorized. If you want, you can even put these to show that these are like this. So now, have you seen the way I've said just 1? The square root of 1, it is just 1. So it is just 1 squared. That's the reason why I just used the same one. The square root of 1, it is 1. When you square 1, you still get 1. So this is what we need to know. This is what we need to get and understand. Hope you are getting something. What if you are given something like this? You are given an expression that is like this: 3x minus 12x cubed. You are told to factorize. How can you factorize something like this? How can you go about this one? This is very simple. What you need to do is that you look for a number that can go into 3 and 12, the highest number. What's that number? The number is 3. Then which letter is common here? We've got x and x cubed. Which one are we supposed to get? You need to get this one, x. Not the one that is having the higher power. You do this. 3x into 3x, it is 1. Minus 3 into 12, it is 4. Then x into x cubed, it is x squared, like this. Here we've got the x is appearing 3 times. Then if you divide it by x, we were told that whenever you've got something like x cubed divided by x, you get x squared. Because you know that whenever you've got the same bases, you just subtract the powers. So just x, 3 minus 1, then you get x squared. Just one and the same thing. So that's how you need to go about that one. Those are procedures that you need to get. when you look at what is in the brackets, so when you look at the expression in the brackets, we've got this expression in the brackets. That is difference of two squares. So what you're going to do is that to work out this one, you are going to say 3x. Then you know that what is the square root of 4? It is 2. Square root of 4, it is what? 2. So what you are going to do is this. This is what you are going to follow and understand. So you say, open bracket, square root of 1, it is 1 squared minus 4. Instead of writing 4, I'm going to put 2 squared. So I say 2 squared x squared, like that. That's what I'm going to do. So with this now, I know that this expression now is a difference of two squares. I can now further factorize this one, where I'm going to say 3x. I'm going to use these brackets, open, 1 minus 2x, then 1 plus 2x, like this. Then you close like that. So this is your answer. This is how we get to factorize this. This is how you need to learn how to factorize using difference of two squares. So this is how we get to factorize using difference of two squares. So let's make sure we work out this. Let's make sure that we get and understand everything that we are given. So this is what you need to know. These are some of the things that you need to get and understand. So before I go, let me leave you with one question that you are going to work out at your own time. 5 minus 20x squared. This is your question. Practice that question. Factorize that. And if you are looking for tuitions in mathematics, you can contact me on my line, which is, this is my number. This is my number. You can contact me on this number, then we can help you in mathematics, science, which is chemistry or physics. This is my number, 0971066747. Thank you so much. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with others so that we get to learn together. Thank you so much.